suspend Owen art for the movie industry for Edo. All because he go settle with them Esther. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Owen art. Owen art, I just see the write-up just now for Facebook. Una remember the time when they suspend Ebony for Eyan. So they talk and say, if anybody, they see anybody say that he go mate with Ebony, say they go suspend that person. That was what they said. So me even be think say anybody will follow her art. Now they talk. I don't know say even who see goes follow them make friend. That's the problem, my people. This matter, this topic, it shocked me like seriously. So I shocked when I see the rights of our Proco just now say, oh, when art post and come out say they don't suspend her because Ingo settle with them Ebony. So because of and the destiny. So say because Ingo settle with them, they can't suspend them for Eyan. You can write and for them say after all. In settle with them, he no regret them. So after all, who they help? That was what Owen Art said. I was shocked, allies. I was really shocked, like seriously. Anyway, I'm not really like too surprised say they suspend them because they talk and say anybody wey me with them, they go suspend them. So the thing I be this and only who follow the art, then they suspend. I not even be no say even who follow them waka they go see suspend and the thing shockalize me. Oh my people, it shockalize me. So my people, which advice una get for Owen art now? Because Owen art want go UK. You know say when you go settle that time they tell am say Owen art now UK where you want go now make you do this one, so you want make it carry you go UK. Owen art if you not go UK you go be shame. Oh hey. So me no say now because of that one I make Owen art be go settle. This one wey they call suspend Owen art now my people how una raising the matter because they talk am say anybody wey me with them they go suspend them. But I be not know say even person wey go make friends. I be this na only who follow the art film. Now in they talk. So the thing really shockalize me. So my people, how una raising the matter for this one when art matter now? I go say put the right up for now make una see am. Because the thing really shockalize me now. Say like seriously, when art, my brother, how you want waka now? Because the way you say do you say you not even send like who they help. So the thing really shockalize me. My people, what una think about this video? For this Owen art matter, the thing it just get as be like this suspend wey dey suspend this, so e not just good at all. E not just good to except say maybe you don't see use eye take look where you dey go, because this kind of suspension get as be. My brother, if you know say you never put eye for anywhere, you better go beg may they forgive you. You understand? You better go beg because una no fit dey respect other people wey not be Benin. Una own Edo, una come dey bring am down. E get as be. Go settle. Because these people where you want go she with, so this people where you want go she with, you don't know how they take day. You don't know whether they go boof you. So you better go beg for where you did now. So me, I reason now more my people, I wanna reason the matter. So make I put on for una more and see my darling people. So please help me to share the video, let the video go viral. Bye.
So my people are now they na me impression so saying. So the reason why they make this video now because of our beautiful mommy. Iye no gie, ije no ege no ale ya bomo. Ije no ma ye eni da ya gwalo bi on ade. Mommy love it okay. This song way there so Uncle Best. I really appreciate those of you now where see the console, her, where see they there for her, where see they be me, where still go ask, still go console. I really appreciate you now. But I don't know why some people come they carry phone, they call person, come they ask say, wait to kill the boy, wait to kill the boy. I don't understand. So even they ask her for comment section, person wey be say they go through a lot, how you take expect her make she take answer that kind of question? She dey pass through a lot right now. Some say she dey mom, she dey live video. Abeg. She love una as her fans. She get her best interest at heart. That's why she carry phone. The person use her phone enter live video. Una dey see wetin dey happen because she want more una know say see wetin happen to her. Abeg. And many people they say na so they donate give her for wetin she dey pass through. So abeg, she never come out say Mona donate money for her or Mona not let anybody scam una. She never come and say Mona donate money for her. Not let anybody scam you, because I know say many people go want to take advantage of this very situation where she did. So she never ask people for money. I beg. I use God to beg una. I beg. I just pray may God give her strength to overcome what she dey pass through. So I just pray may God just give her the strength, because it's not really easy. 3 children, the only boy where she just get, they just collect her. Mommy, no worry. If not be tears of joy, you no go cry again. God. This world is very, very wicked. I appreciate all of una way just stand by her, way really call her una mama, una feel wetin she feel. I beg mo keep this love. Mo just keep her up. I beg. And all those fear, come they ask wetin happen, why it can't be like this. I beg. I believe say she don't dey okay, she don't dey fit. She go come and tell and say, see wetin happen. And again, not let anybody scam you. I beg. She never asked for money. I beg. She never asked for money. Oh, she never asked for money. Not let person come go send you fake account number. You come because say you love mommy. Okay, she love wetin she dey do. You can't go send money. At the end of the day, person does come una beg. Mona see the help her, they pray, because we really happy say after that sickness where she go through, she just see they recover herself. This one you can still happen. God, I beg. Mommy, I beg. God go give you strength to overcome this one. Wait till enemies they plan, you know go happen for your life. You must overcome this one. After this one, you know go cry again for your life. If not be tears or joy from this one, and happiness. Now you and your family go the encounter. My condolences. God, no easy. Thanks for the love, guys. Una do well for our body. God bless una. Celebration no go depart from una life. Nobody go wear slippers of sorry for una domot. Una no go hear sorry for life again. Nobody go die for una family. Una way fear pain, we really know what she dey pass through. Now God na go bless una, go uplift una. Anything we una point, they go better for una. Thanks for the love, guys. Una do well for our body.